morning. In 5.2, today we are going to learn new formula. What's the example? That example is k plus 4 whole bracket cube. So for that today we are going to learn new formula, that is a plus b whole bracket cube is equal to a cube. Okay, is equal to a cube plus 3a square b. Okay, plus 3ab square plus b cube. So, how to apply this formula? How to gain the answer for this example? So, try to study the formula. What they have done? They have done that cube of first term. So, you want to apply this formula, no? So, take cube of first term here. What is first term here? K, no? So, make cube of k. That is k cube. Okay, you got first term. Then, what about second term? They have taken 3. Okay, so plus I will take 3 into what? Into they have taken a square. What is our a? That is k. So, k square. Okay. Then, after that they multiplied by b. b means second term. Which is second term in our example? That is 4. Okay. So, we will multiply by 4. This is what we got second term. How we got second term? That at first they have taken 3. They have multiplied by 3. So, I wrote here 3. Then they have taken a square. A square means square of the first term. So, I took square of the first term. So, k square. Then they have multiplied by b means second term. So, I multiplied by second term which is 4. Okay. Now, what about third term? In third term also, they have multiplied by 3. So, I will multiply by 3. Okay. Then they have taken a. Then they have multiplied by a. A means what? A means first term. So, what is our first term? That is k. So, into k. Then what they have done? Then they have made square of the second term b square. So, b is the second term, no? What is our second term? It is 4. So, we multiplied by 4 square. Okay. This is how we got this third term. What is their fourth term in formula? They had done b cube. B means which term? Second term. Which is our second term? 4. So we will make or what we are gaining? What's answer? What's expansion? We got, see now, k cube. Okay, this one. Now see here, 3k square into 4. 4 3s will come as 12. Means we got 12k square. Okay. Then what about third term? See here, 3 into k will come as 3k. 4 square is 16. So 16 3s will come as 48. So plus 48k. Okay. Now 4 cube is what? 4 cube means you have to multiply. Remember, 4 by 4. How many times? 3 times. So 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s will come as 16. 16 4s will come as 64. So our answer will come as 64. And this is what is our expansion or our answer. Now see here, they have given us formula. Which formula they have given to apply? A plus b whole bracket cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. How we applied it? So, observing this formula, we applied it on this example. So, a cube means cube of the first term, that we got as k cube. Okay. Then 3a square b means what? Square of the first term multiplied by second term and multiplied by 3. 3 into square of the first term, okay, into second term. Okay. How we got third term? This third term, 3ab square. Multiplication by 3. Then a means first term. Then b square means square of the second term. And thus we got third term. What about last term? It is b cube. B means second term, means cube of the second term. So 4 cube, and then we got k cube plus 4 3s are 12 k square plus 4 square 16 3s are 48 k plus 64. Thus we applied this formula. Okay.